Fixing Mastercard gift card not working. In today's video, you are going to learn how to fix Master gift card not working. Suppose you bought a Master gift card and now you want to use it, but it is not working. So there must be two problems. So the first problem is either you are putting the code wrong. So just try to double check the code if you are putting it right. After confirming that if you are putting the code right, the second problem could be your card is not activated. So how can you do that? You can look at the packaging and you might be able to find a phone number for the company. And simply call them and let them know that this card is not working and they will help you. Or the second thing that you can do is you can go to the retailer and let him know that this card is not working. Kindly activate. So that's how you will be able to fix the problem that Mastercard gift card is not working. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.